Good people, I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into it, I'd like to please request anyone who's watching, every single person who's listening to this right now, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe and like is the two most important. You don't need to comment if you don't want to. You don't need to share it really if you don't want to, because you might share it to 3 people and they might not even watch it. But thank you to the people who do share it, because I can see a lot of people share it via WhatsApp. So that means you're showing your friends my videos. So thank you. I can also see a lot of people return to the channel. So all of the regular viewers, there's about 700 of you, which is a lot. I like that, 700 plus. A shout out to each and every one of you as well. I've got another bargain buy review from a brand which surprisingly doesn't get much time on my channel, doesn't get much, videos. I'll be honest, I don't really record many Adidas videos. I have probably 10-15 Adidas tracksuits. I've probably recorded one video. That's just because, I don't know, it just is what it is. But yeah, Adidas trainers, another bargain buy review. The famous blue box. So Nike's got the red box, Puma's got the green box, Adidas has a blue box with the famous stripes and end plastic waist. So that's really important, and the reason behind that is these trainers are made with recycled materials. Let's get into it, man. So kind of the reason why I've been starting to buy these type of white trainers, white lows, if you want to call it that, is because I'm kind of on a mission to find different types of trainers, sneakers that can sort of replace the Air Force One or be a close contender to replacing the Air Force One. And I'd say that because the prices are going up, and we know how the quality is not that great, allegedly. So the quality, I wouldn't say it's the best. A couple wears and they messed up. So I'm saying, trainers like this, people can wear a bit more often, especially because of the price I paid for these, and the price was around 25, 26 Great British pounds. Dollars, let's just say dollars, 25, $26, because that's cheap anyway. 25, 26 euros. I know that's cheap all around. I don't want to get into currency conversion and start telling everyone the accurate price, because you can do that yourself. So very cheap, as everyone knows, bargain buys reviews. I always try to find a trainer as cheap as possible to review, and this is one of them. So we'll go from bottom to top. Bottom, Adidas sole, white out with Adidas stamped in, and the trefoil, if I'm saying that right, the trefoil logo. Then another Adidas, with the trefoil again. So these sole, I can actually start telling, it looks a bit different of a white. It is still white, but it just looks a bit different. The upper, leather, which I really like, by the way. Not per se the quality of the leather, I just like that they all leather. Upper, even, the heel wrap around, the other side, the toe box, the toe wrap around, whatever you want to call it. Embroidered trefoil, I think it looks kind of awkward, to be honest, but some people may like that, some people may not, and I think I'm a not person. It just looks a bit awkward, to be honest. Just if you can see, like, the view, it's just a bit awkward. I don't know. It could have been here, just moving it a bit, or it could have just been, it could have just said like Adidas, like a long word Adidas, and then the trefoil. Or even just not there at all, just Adidas on, the tongue. The back heel has got this type of material. Don't know the name of it, to be honest. Suede on this side. So trainers, brands love to put a bit of suede everywhere. So it's just, you know, the blue, the famous Adidas blue. Then the trefoil logo. Thin laces, which is a bit different. I think Adidas like thin laces for some reason. I'm not the biggest fan of thin laces, to be honest, but I do like the way these kind of look on foot. Same material on the tongue that is on the back tab. Inside, prime green, so you know, the recycled materials. Adidas and a lot of major brands are starting to, you know, try to cut down on waste, recycle more, make things out of recycled materials, which I get 100%. Certain brands, no names, Nike make a lot of, in my opinion, ugly recycled trainers. But these are really nice for, you know, recycled materials, etc. It's like they didn't care about telling us that they are made out of recycled material, or showing us that they're made out of recycled material. They just made them and sold them to us and told us they're recycled, which is a big difference because Nike just wants to make sure that people can tell they're recycled, and they actually look recycled, which is terrible. I don't like that at all. But yeah, so are these a good replacement or you know, alternative to the Air Force One? I'm going to be 100% honest and say no. And the reason is because the Air Force One is the Air Force One. These do look nice on foot, you know, with shorts in the summer, etc. So they are really nice. I'm not knocking them at all. For what they are, really good. For the price, amazing, to be honest, because you can't find trainers that cheap. And yeah, it's always fun to find trainers cheap, and it's always fun to review them for me. So for 25, let's say £25, are they worth it? 100% yes, because that's not even you know, that doesn't really dent your wallet as much as £100 Air Forces would. These I think would last longer, potentially. I just don't know, because I might just have to do a test, just wear these and then wear the Air Forces and see what lasts, whatever. But yeah, so for the price, very good. Obviously I do have a little bit of, you know, I'd rather move that logo, but that's my personal opinion. Personally, I would wear these with like shorts in the summer, or you know, with a tracksuit in the summer. I do like them. I'm starting to, you know, try to wear different brands apart from just Nike trainers, trying to style them out different. You know, it's always good to try something new. And for £25, definitely, I am trying something new, definitely. But yeah, a rating out of 10, I'll give them a 6.5/7, just because they wouldn't be a pair I'd buy at full price. Definitely not. The Air Force I would definitely buy at full price, which I have previously, which is rubbish. I hate that. But for the sale price and for what they are, and you know, for the summer, I'd definitely say, you know, 8 out of 10. And plus, my taste and everyone else's taste is quite different. So a personal 6.5/7 out of 10, but 8 out of 10 for everything else, so the material, price, etc. And you know, they're recycled, so you are helping the environment if you are into that. If you're not, no hard feelings. That's up to you. As always, there will be a on foot video to follow, so you know, you'll be able to see what they look like on foot. I think these will look really nice in the summer with shorts, to be honest. I'm not going to record a on foot video with shorts, so don't think it's that. And yeah, leave a comment if you have them, if you like them, if you want them. Yeah, and tell me what you feel. Let's have a discussion. So thank you very much for watching. As always, there will be a on foot video to follow. And most importantly, take care, people.